Hi, I'd like to thank Legendary Foods for sending me these sweet rolls with the chocolate frosting so that I could try these out and give you my opinion about these. Oh my goodness, so good. If you're like me and you have a sweet tooth, and if you're like me and you've got some fitness goals like increasing your protein with some healthier things, you should really try these. Okay, 240 calories in this, but 22 grams of protein, 7 grams of carbs. I mean, those macros are great. 22 grams of protein for 240 calories. Very, very good. So I'm gonna open this one. I have been eating these and I'm just gonna show you what it looks like. If I can get it open. There we go. Okay, so this is what it looks like. There's the bottom, so it's got like a chocolatey cinnamon swirl, and then the chocolate frosting on top. Really good to just bite it and eat it. I especially like to put it on a plate and kind of warm it up a little bit. So I'm going to warm this up for about 10 seconds and show you what it looks like. Okay. So the chocolate is now a little melty and not too hot to warm to pick up. These are good. Highly recommend these if you want a sweet treat with high protein and you've got some fitness goals you want to meet. I highly recommend these. Thanks.